Are you serious? Did you just cough at me?
Yeah. I don't have a pandemic. I did not open my mouth when I coughed. I coughed inside my mouth.
Disgusting.
Yeah, well, you're disgusting too.
Are you serious? Did you just cough at me?
Yeah. I don't have a pandemic. Bully?
Bully?
Yeah, bully.
I asked you politely to please cover your mouth when
Yes,
you
I
cough.
did not open my mouth when I coughed. Don't you listen?
You doctor.
What?
You a doctor. Is
Are
that
you?
how you stop?
Are you?
The advice from
Are
the
you?
government has been to
Oh,
cover
just
your
shut
mouth
up.
when you cough.
Look, just be quiet. I don't want to hear this.
And then you coughed at me.
You're in a quiet
with an open
carriage.
mouth.
Oh, shut up.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.